Hello everyone, this is Vicky and welcome to my vlog. It's been a while nga wala ako naka-upload. So today, medyo maganam-ganam. Although, hopefully manami ang tiyempo. Kag tilad video ako sa Iguhag. Yes, and surprisingly, I bought 2 puppies. I don't know, probably it's time. Although, honestly, hindi man ako mahilig mag-alaga. Especially dogs. But now I think it's time. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang may pets really just sa Iguhag. So, good thing si Tito gintugo na kanaka ng darba ka mga tutoy and kaina lang. So, I brought them bro ako sa ginbakal actually gintugro, so I brought them here, ginpadulog ko kaina ang mga bata para magdara kay may mga dara rin ako. And so now I am happy that I have puppies here at home, although may mga ayam maridya nga nagadulog, but I don't own any dogs, so nagaagto lang sa daridya and nagabantay. But now I have my own 2 puppies. So, sanda rin ang resident ng guardians kang balay. So, I named them Kathy and Heathcliff. Actually, kinaano ko na sa akin nga self, nga if ever I have pets, especially dogs, I would name them names from my favorite characters sa favorite novel ko man, Wuthering Heights. I don't know, I just love dark characters. So, amo laging ngaranan ko sanda nga Kathy and Heathcliff. Catherine and Heathcliff. So, I'm happy that I get to name my own pets from my favorite characters. Pag time ni man nga ang location kang Valeria sa Iguhag, so mataas. So, it's like Wuthering Heights dog version. So, yeah. I don't know what happens next. It's my first time nga mag-keep kang puppies, kang dogs as pets. So, wish me luck.